Imagine this. You're a project manager navigating through the labyrinth of tasks, deadlines, and resources. Your work is a complex puzzle, each piece needing to be perfectly aligned to create the final masterpiece. The pressure is mounting, the stakes are high, and you're in the hot seat. Welcome to the world of project management, but don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. In the next scenes, we'll explore the challenges you face and introduce you to a tool that could be your ultimate game changer. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty of project management challenges in the next scene. Ever grappled with the beast of project management challenges? The constant juggling of resources, tasks, timelines, and budgets can often feel like a Herculean task. But what if there was a tool to help streamline these processes? Enter Primavera Enterprise Project Portfolio Management, or EPPM for short. Primavera EPPM is a comprehensive, robust, and integrated solution designed to meet the demands of managing projects of any size. It comes with a powerful dashboard that serves as your cockpit, providing a high-level overview while also allowing you to drill down into the details. The first feature to highlight is the portfolio management option. This enables you to have a bird's-eye view of all your projects lined up side by side. It's like having a map of all your ongoing journeys, each with its unique route and destination. You can see the status, progress, and health of each project, allowing you to quickly identify bottlenecks or areas that need your attention. Next on the line is resource management. This feature is akin to the engine room of a ship, where you control and allocate all your resources. You can view your team's availability, assign tasks, and even balance workloads to ensure no one is overburdened. It's a great way to foster a healthy working environment while keeping your projects on track. The risk management feature is like your crystal ball, helping you anticipate and mitigate potential risks before they become problems. It enables you to identify, assess, and track risks, and devise strategies to minimize their impact. This way, you can ensure your project stays on course even when the unexpected happens. The schedule management feature is your project's clock, helping you manage your timelines effectively. You can set milestones, monitor progress, and adjust schedules as needed. It's like having a reliable timekeeper, ensuring your project remains timely and on target. Finally, the cost management feature is your project's purse, giving you a clear picture of your budget and expenditures. You can track costs, forecast expenses, and manage your budget effectively. It's like having a savvy accountant, keeping your project financially healthy. And that, in a nutshell, is the Primavera EPPM dashboard. It's a powerful tool designed to help you manage your projects more efficiently and effectively. From portfolio management to resource management, risk management, schedule management, and cost management, it provides a comprehensive solution to your project management challenges. So to reiterate, the Primavera EPPM dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects with ease. It allows you to view your portfolio, manage your resources, mitigate risks, manage schedules, and control costs. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, all ready to help you navigate the complex world of project management. Remember, every project is a journey, and Primavera EPPM is here to ensure you reach your destination successfully.